Every year, America harvests mountains of almonds, enough to bury San Francisco under nearly 1.5 inches of nuts. But the real story is even crazier. How sun-soaked orchards and high-tech machines turn tiny kernels into a billion-dollar obsession. Hit like, subscribe now, and dive in to the incredible almond harvesting process. You're about to see something amazing. The journey kicks off in mid-February as farmers plant young almond seedlings across carefully prepared fields. This critical window gives each tree the perfect start, maximizing growth through the peak season and setting the stage for a powerful, high-yield harvest ahead. First comes the almond seedlings. Farmers hand-pick the strongest, healthiest plants, lining them onto fast-moving conveyors. In seconds, they're loaded and hauled out to vast open fields, where millions of trees will soon take root under the California sun. Out in the open fields, a Ford 4000 tractor powered by a 5 horsepower engine roars to life, its auger spinning like a drill, tearing into the soil and carving perfect planting holes at relentless speed. Farmers carefully plant each almond seedling, spacing them with precision to ensure every tree has room to grow, stretch, and thrive, setting up strong roots and maximum yield under the open American sky. As trees mature, precision pruning becomes essential, shaping growth, boosting airflow, and maximizing every ounce of yield. The Rinieri ORT, powered by a 100 horsepower engine, spins its cutting discs high, trimming tall branches fast, boosting airflow and driving higher yields. When pests hit, a Kubota M7040 rolls in, pulling a high-powered air blast sprayer, firing a mist through every row, coating each tree fast, precise, and unstoppable. A Claas Arian 600, packing 185 horsepower, powers through the orchard, dragging a rear mower that slices grass between rows, keeping the ground clean, controlled, and weed-free for peak productivity. Almond trees typically thrive for about 25 to 28 years. But after year 20, production starts to dip as aging trees slow down and yields gradually decline season after season. From February through March, almond orchards burst into bloom. Then millions of honeybees are brought in, swarming the fields, pollinating every blossom, and powering one of the most critical moments of the entire season. From a distance, almond blossoms look almost identical to plum and pear flowers. Soft, delicate blooms, painting entire orchards in shades of white and pale pink. From bloom to harvest, almonds take about 5 to 6 months depending on the climate, as each stage unfolds under carefully timed sun, heat, and seasonal conditions. Do you feel satisfied? Drop a 1 in the comments. Everything is ready, fields set, trees loaded, and a brand new harvest season is about to begin. The Broad 1190X, powered by a 183 horsepower engine, glides through orchard rows, its system sweeping, shaking, and collecting almonds in one smooth, high-speed harvesting pass. The Teniers harvester grips the trunk and shakes with raw force almonds. Rain down in seconds, swept onto fast-moving conveyors, turning chaos into a smooth, high-speed harvest flow. The Flory VR700 shakes almonds loose, then blasts them with a powerful fan cleaning debris right in the orchard, delivering a fast, efficient, and field-ready harvest in one seamless operation. Once harvested, almonds are rapidly loaded onto trucks and hauled across miles of open roads, racing toward processing plants where the next stage begins in a massive, high-speed industrial chain. From our previous video on orange harvesting, you've already seen speed and precision in action. Now get ready, because what's coming next takes everything to a whole new level. Now let's switch gears to sugarcane. Where towering fields and roaring harvesters take over, turning acres of dense stalks into a non-stop flow of raw sweetness headed straight for massive processing plants. The Hodge-Walpaco multi-row planter charges through fields, dropping cane cuttings with lightning speed, lining rows with precision, and turning acres into perfectly planted sugarcane in a single, unstoppable pass. Across another field, the 3-row Traube planter charges forward conveyors, spinning non-stop, dropping cane cuttings with inch-perfect precision. Soil seals instantly behind it, creating 3 flawless rows in a single pass where speed and raw power move as one. A boom sprayer, powered by up to 150 horsepower, rolls across sugarcane fields, covering wide swaths with precision. It delivers exact water flow, evenly saturating the soil and maintaining optimal moisture for strong, high-yield cane growth. Oh my god, an entire sugarcane field is going up in flames. But this controlled burn strips away dry leaves and debris, leaving clean stalks behind, making the harvest faster, smoother, and far more efficient. Each year, U.S. sugarcane production ranges from 66 to 77 million pounds, with Florida leading at roughly 33 million. A huge share begins with the Ledesma Fin de Zafra harvester packing a 350 horsepower engine, tearing through fields with power, speed, and relentless efficiency. This machine can rip through massive sugarcane acreage in record time, boosting output while slashing labor costs. Its precision cutting and rapid collection minimize losses, turning what used to take days into a smooth, high-efficiency operation. Once cut, sugarcane is loaded onto heavy-duty trucks and hauled straight to the mill, hundreds of tons moving every single day. From field to factory in hours, this non-stop flow keeps massive processing lines running at full speed. On the haul to the mill, everything stops and an enormous elephant steps onto the road, blocking a sugarcane truck. The driver brakes, stunned, as the giant calmly pulls stalks down, turning a routine run into a wild, unforgettable moment. Oh my god, how did this sugarcane truck flip right here? One wrong move, uneven ground, and tons of load shifts suddenly. Everything tips, turning a routine haul into a chaotic roadside scene. Another truck faces brutal terrain, pushing through a fast-moving creek, wheels fighting the current. Every inch forward is a calculated move, where one wrong step could turn this crossing into a serious disaster. Oh no, it's not going up anymore. Nothing beats an ice-cold glass of sugarcane juice on a blazing summer day, freshly pressed from sweet stalks. This refreshing drink delivers pure, natural sweetness that people across the country can't get enough of. Step inside the factory with me, where advanced machines and automated conveyor systems take over, moving sugarcane at high speed. Every stage is optimized for maximum output, ensuring fast processing while maintaining consistent top-tier quality from start to finish.